Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to check internal storage value in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to settings of your phone here. Then go to device care, and here you will find storage option, and see here maximum storage shown here is 256 GB. Okay, out of 256 GB only 21.7 GB is used, and 234.3 GB available. Okay, so here you can understand that your internal storage has maximum 256 GB. Okay, this is one of the method to check internal storage capacity. Then next one is going to the my files. Go to Samsung folder and go to my files, and here click on internal storage and see there in the internal storage it is showing that maximum 256 GB. Okay, so in these two methods you can check internal storage capacity or value in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.